Stocks continue to push higher, but do we trust this rally? Right now, we're sitting here at 62 for fear and greed, which means that, yeah, people are feeling a little bit greedy. Please remember, we're looking for a four-step recipe if the bears are going to take over and we're going to get a stock market crash. As of last week, we got through number one and number two, but the bulls were able to save it. So now let's think about what would the bulls need to see in order to save this market? Well, it's pretty simple. We want to see hollow green candles and we want to see higher highs and closing over previous candle highs. Have we done that yet? Well, let's look to the yellow box because that's the last time we really had a correction here. Number of red days in a row and a number of red days in a row. This is a more pronounced correction. This one's like a little bit of a paper cut. It's negative 2%. So do we actually have a hollow green candle here? No, we don't. Where's the apex here? Oh my goodness, it's right here on November 5th. Anyone know what happens on November 5th? Again, a little bit of a joke because everyone should know what's going to happen here. So here's what's interesting. Chips are down today by 0.7%, but the Russell's up by 1.7%. And Bitcoin's currently flirting with 70,000. There we go. We're currently over it as I'm recording the video. So what does all this mean? Well, it really means that people are positioning ahead of earnings this week. Remember, earnings are likely going to be more important than the U.S. election or Fed cut. So in the next 48 hours, like tomorrow, that's when earnings really kicks off. We got AMD, Alphabet, and then on Wednesday, we got Microsoft, Meta. And within 48 hours or 2 days later, we got Amazon, Apple. Oh my goodness, this is going to be big. And on the weekend, we talked about all these things. So I don't want to make today's video too much longer because, frankly, I think at the end of the day, we don't really need to overthink this. If we look here to our current pattern on the S&P, we're just in a holding pattern. That's what our apex is right here. We've undecided if we're going to go higher. But please remember, this is what I was talking about last time. We have this barrier here like a beach ball being held underwater. Tap it once, tap it twice. On the third time we tapped it, we back tested and passed. Well, now almost that same thing is happening here. Tap it once, tap it twice. On the third try, are we going to tap it and then back test and pass? Well, that would be a beautiful thing. And why would that be a beautiful thing? Well, because let's go all the way back to 2020 when what? The stock market was unsure where we were going to go. We've put in a W. And what happened? The bulls won. They won. And we bounced and bounced and bounced. And we went higher and higher and higher. Oh, my God. Right there's election night, like pretty much right there. So 2016, it was really difficult. 2020, it was not so difficult. So I think that's it for today. I'm definitely publishing the video a little bit later. So watch the video on the left, which says the stage is set. And if not, come hang out with me at 9:15 a.m. tomorrow. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys on the next video.